Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn knitting technology, which is very important in textiles. Let's go and the basics for it. So what we are going to learn in this session are intro for the knitting, comparison with weaving technology, basic terms in knitting technology, patterning, method of representation of knit structure. So let's go. What is intro? Definition of the knitting is intermeshing of looms, whereas in weaving, interlacements of yarns. So here only single yarn is used, and the loop can be technical face and technical back. The vertical ladders were there. For example, if a fabric is there, the vertical yarns will be there and the horizontal yarns will be there. So the vertical ladders are called veils and the horizontal ladders are called courses. Okay. And when we do comparison with weaving, see, in knitting, we use single yarn, but in weaving, we use double yarns. In knitting, formed by intermeshing of looms, weaving interlacements of yarns. And in knitting machine, there will be a cylinder in that machine which is specified by its own diameter. So the machine is specified by its diameter. In weaving, loom is specified by reed space. So the reed space, if you know the length of the reed space, that you can even specify the length of the fabric, right? So in knitting, vertical ladders are called veils and the horizontal ladders are called courses. And in weaving, vertical yarns are called warp and horizontal yarns are called weft, that we all know. And the production in knitting can be specified with the weight of the fabric. In weaving, length of the fabric. So here the loops are formed, here the interlacements are formed. So that were the major differences when compared to weaving. Now the basic terms in knitting. So what are the basic terms? Loop diagram. See, to the right side, parts of the loop was there, right? So you can even see this was the loop and the parts. This is foot, this is limb, the bulge part is belly, and this is hook or head. So this is the parts of the loom. And what is technical face and technical back? Let me show you this all things. Veils and course, talk knit structures. So let's go for the print. And I will show that what is technical phase. Let me show you in the loop formation. Technical phase. So technical phase, let me draw here. The belly will move out. The belly will be moved out. This is technical phase. What is technical back? The belly will be on the face side. The belly will be on the face, right? This is technical face and this is technical back. Let me give you let me write here. This is technical face and this is so many people will confuse here which is technical face and which is not. And so here, see, you can even see this. So this is technical face and this is technical back. What are the courses and veils? So let's see that. Yeah, horizontal. What are the horizontal was there? They are called course. See, these are the vertical ladders, right? So this is the vertical ladders. How many vertical ladders I have? 4, and there are 2 courses. Here, these are the 4 veils. So let me write here. The verticals are veils and this horizontal one are courses. Okay, this is the course. Then what is knit? So let me show you what is knit. See, the knit structures will be knit. Okay, this is technical face and here this is technical back. Okay, and what is tuck? Let me show you what is tuck. Tuck will be off motion, this. Okay, and what is miss? So sometimes the needle misses to do knit. So this is miss. You can even, these were the main important characteristics. Please note it out. Knit. This is tuck. TUCK, tuck, and this is miss. Sometimes the needle misses, right? So needle. Sorry, this is miss. Okay, so clear everything. Technical face, technical back, course, whales, miss, tuck, and knit. Okay, this is very important. And let's move for other. So basic terms have given, right? Now the method of representation, which is very, very important. So in method of representation, we have loop diagram, needle diagram, and graphical diagram. For example, if they given you a question, 2 course on 4 whales, then you have to do this 3 if they ask you for the representation of leaf structure. So if they mention any needle, only needle or loop, you can even do that. See here, I am given an example of this, how the loop will be. See, 2 courses on 4 whales. See, 4 whales were there and 2 courses were there. Okay. And the graphical representation will be like that. Needle. See, for this needle representation, this is the graphical representation. So let me example. So I am showing 2 whales on core. See, 4 whales I am drawing. Let me take a small one. 4 whales, and they have asked 2 cores, right? So belly will be this. I am face, technical face I am drawing. So the belly will be out here. So 2 cores is right. So this, the belly will be out. So 2 cores on 4 wheels. This is loop diagram. Next, how it can be represented as a needle. Let me show you. So 4 cores and 2 knits. This is face structure. See this is a technical face. Okay. And this is a needle diagram, and I'm going to draw about graphical diagram. Let me see. There are 4 whales, right? So 4 vertical ladders we have to draw. And this. So face can be represented as cross mark. So if there is a technical bag, if they given you any technical bag, so you have to place here 0. Here also will be given as technical bag is this in this way. Here I have told you before that technical bag, right? These were the main important structures. So what are the basic? So we have learned loop diagram, needle diagram, graphical representation of the